Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're talking about essential oils and cleaning. I'm talking about 5 essential oils, and then in this blog post, there will be recipes and different ways to use each oil. Cleaning products and laundry were the two first things that we swapped over when we were switching to clean living and eliminating just unnecessary chemicals and toxic things in our home, things that weren't purifying our air, rather polluting the air quality in our home. But anyways, cleaning is one of them because there are so many harsh cleaners, toilet bowl cleaner, the scrubs like soft scrub, bleach, obviously, Windex, all of these things that we were using daily or weekly, right, were just really not good for us and unnecessary. There are so many good natural cleaners now, and especially boosting their power with essential oils, not only for smell, but also for like disinfecting, degreasing, all kinds of different things. It's just like a no-brainer to switch over. There is no point in still using those nasty chemical-ridden products in your home. So anyways, there are 5 essential oils. There are lots and lots of essential oils that you could use in cleaning, but these are just 5, just really to keep this vlog or to keep this video somewhat short. So lemon is first. It might be the most obvious one. It is like nature's Goo Gone. We use it for removing sticky residue from everything because the girls love to put stickers on everything. I don't know why. Kids just have like this natural tendency to put a huge sticker on something like a bed frame. I'm like, why did you do that? But really, it's also good like for those tiny rubber bands. That's another main reason we use it, because primary constituent of lemon is limonene, and that is the natural solvent known for its ability to dissolve dirt and grime. It really works good in adding it to oven cleaners, like to degrease the top of the stove, inside the oven cleaner. I use that all the time. I actually use a dishwashing pod, and then I put lemon for extra power and just scrub my oven with that. It works really good. And did I say oven? Oven. Lemon is antibacterial, antiviral, so it's really good for like what am I trying to say? Countertop cleaning too. Bathroom cleaner. I make a natural like Windex with a splash of vinegar and some lemon essential oil, and it really works good. You can also add it to just different non-scented cleaning products. It leaves a fresh scent, so it just smells super fresh. You don't need the artificial fragranced lemon to do the job. The next essential oil is tea tree. Oh, the other thing, lemon essential oil is really good to add to like wood floor cleaners. So use, I think it's olive oil. There's a recipe. I'll try to put it here, but I have a lot of cleaning blog posts on my website. So it's really good in that natural wood cleaner too, kind of like a wood polish, if you will. Tea tree is next. So tea tree is derived from the leaves of the tea tree plant, and it's antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, so many different things. Tea tree is a very potent and powerful essential oil, so it's great for cleaning. It does a lot. The key component, or the constituent terpene 4-all, which will be in this blog post, gives it the powerful antimicrobial properties, so it's awesome to add to cleaning products. I use it a lot topically for different things. I just got some piercings done, and I made tiny little it's just coconut oil and a drop of tea tree to put like around the piercing, just to kind of prevent infection from happening. But it's so powerful. It's in so many like foot scrubs and things like that, but it's really good for tackling mold, mildew, stubborn stains. It doesn't smell the best to me, so I like pairing it with like a lemon or a different essential oil for different scent, but it's super powerful. It's probably number 1 on my list to add to things like this. Lavender is number 3. Lavender smells amazing. It's very relaxing, but it's also super powerful and antibacterial and antifungal properties. So it's like a multitasking oil for this. It smells great, but it also really works to boost your cleaning power too. Number 4 is peppermint. So this one is awesome because it's going to help boost with its antibacterial, antiviral, but it also repels bugs. So we use this a lot in the summertime. Add it to your different products that you're using, even outdoors, like an outdoor cleaning spray. Add peppermint to kind of boost the cleaning and the bug repelling properties or benefits from that oil. Number 5 is eucalyptus, another super powerful essential oil. I would say the number 1 use for eucalyptus is airways, like more congested and things, but it's also, the eucalyptol has that germ fighting, and so it's really good to add to cleaners during the fall and winter, like flu, cold seasons, the ick seasons, because it's just gonna give you that extra boost of the antiseptic and like odorizing even properties. Eucalyptus would be a great bathroom cleaning spray, like a shower or toilet. I don't think I have a toilet cleaner recipe. That might be the one that I haven't made. I do use, I think it's 7th generation or something, but it is eucalyptus scent. So I feel like eucalyptus is just a great like bathroom scent. So it'd be good for your bathroom cleaners. I didn't want this video to be super long, so that is it. There are recipes in the blog post, and I will also link different, like I said, I have a ton of different cleaning recipes and blogs on my website, so go and check that out. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Let me know what your favorite essential oils are to clean with. Our favorite brands, as always, will be linked in the description and in the blog post too, and kind of why we like each one. There's a ton of good brands, you guys. There isn't just one. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.